Hi, I'm Everick.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
Welcome
To one of our projects here in Rye, New York.
This project was all about blending modern and classic. The family wanted comfort and they wanted to be able to entertain, so they wanted a refined look by night, comfort by day.
So follow us and let us show you what we did.
Welcome inside. This is one of my favorite entries because it is both modern and minimal. The floor-to-ceiling windows bring in tons of natural light.
And brightness is one of the things we wanted to accentuate throughout the home.
Shall we continue? Here in the dining room is where you'll see a mix of modern and classic, which has become our signature look.
The star of any dining room is, of course, the table.
And we chose this table because it's modern with classic lines. We surrounded the table with chairs that the family already owned, and we updated them with a pleather that's both durable and comfortable. Above the table, we hung this beautiful piece of art.
It just so happens to be one of my favorite lighting designers, Niche Modern. It brings warmth to every dining experience.
Speaking of warmth, we defined the dining area with this beautiful wool Tibetan rug. I always love mixing in natural earth tones, like brown and gray, and this is a real good example of that. This room is all about casual elegance.
We kept the furniture low profile to accentuate the ceiling height and to not obstruct the views.
And we continued the gray theme from the dining room.
Graphic design appear on the rugs, the slipper chairs, and on the pillows.
But without a doubt, the focal point of this room is the stacked stone fireplace,
which we built with the understanding that the TV would be there,
so we actually had the TV inset.
which made both the husband and the wife happy.
And we rounded this room off with an iconic daybed by Knoll. The kitchen is the heart and soul of every home. The architecture of this room, with its floor-to-ceiling glass, was created to take full advantage of the views. In fact, my client wanted it to feel like a treehouse, so our design choices were inspired by that. Pattern comes to life in the upholstery of the sofa, which we chose to mimic the falling leaves of autumn. You might not know it, but I actually love bright colors. But I think they should be used sparingly, so when you do see them, they're just that much more special. And in design, you always want to surprise people with the unexpected.
In the principal bedroom, it was all about luxury and comfort, because a bedroom is as much about touch as it is about style. To start with, we have this beautiful bed by Ligné Rosé. It has really sleek lines and a plush headboard that's accented by this beautiful silk and velvet bedding. We added this yummy deep pile carpet, which feels amazing to step on first thing in the morning. This room gets tons of natural light, so we brought in some beautiful window treatments. They block out light while they add a little drama to the room. As nice as this room is inside, one of the best things about it is its easy access to outside. Hey!
Hey, where you been?
The bedroom.
Uh-oh.
We hope you enjoyed this tour of one of our favorite projects where we mix modern and classic for a fabulous experience.
Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?